I love classic cars, and I especially love the interiors of classic cars. So in this video, I'm just going to show you all the interiors I possibly can of a whole bunch of different classic cars. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I love all of them. Let's take a look at these interiors.
Step on in here, darling. Got that bench seat made for two. Oh, feel that cool vinyl, shining bright with chrome, it's final. That dashboard's a work of art. That big old steering wheel stole my heart. Yeah, this is true perfection. This is true perfection.
At the end of the video, we have a quiz for you to see how many classic interiors you can name. There's no way I'm fitting inside of this, but how beautiful is it? This one is gorgeous. Look at the detailing on the seat there. You just don't get that today. And look at this Monte Carlo. This is awesome. Let us know in the comments if you can name any of these vehicles from looking at these interiors.
Shaking the roof off, wake up in the morning and we'll do it again.
Let me know in the comments which classic car's interior was your favorite. I love them all. Maybe it was this 1960 Corvette behind me. Thank you for watching. Like I said, drop in the comments which interior was your favorite.